Well, Axel,
Let me see it.
yeah, what are we having here?
And big and giant bulldozer.
It's a bulldozer. Wow, I didn't know the name of this. It looks cool.
His name and his name. Look at there's a tractor and for kids.
Let's look at it really quick.
Look
Show
at
me.
this wheel water and the dump trunk.
Okay, let me see. Show it to me. Right
Okay.
there.
Oh, my fire.
Oh, your fire truck fell down. So it's a bulldozer and what else?
Red butts.
What's this?
Dump truck
A dump truck. Okay. And this is what?
and wheel water.
Oh, wow, that looks cool, Axel.
His name and bulldozer.
Nice. Okay, we're gonna go home and play with him. Okay, we're gonna take it out of the package and we're gonna go play at home. Can you press the buttons? Oh wow, that looks cool. Toot toot. What else does it do? Wow, that looks cool, Axel.
It's open the hole.
Yeah, we're gonna. Well, friends, after a hard day of work, Axel and the Bulldozer went to the local park to play in the water. So let's play in the water. Let's go. Well, friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Axel Action Toys and Games channel. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.